Yeah. Good afternoon, Abhinav.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I am fine and uh, could I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure. You can.
So, my name is Abhinav and I am from Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. It is in Gujarat. And now I am studying in 11th standard. Actually, I had taken science stream and I want to make my English perfect. That's why I had become a convenient to do conversation.
Yeah, that's great, Abhinav. So you have taken initiative towards your English. That is the best thing. Abhinav, can you tell me a bit about your English journey? When did you think about learning English and how did you think?
Ma'am, actually, in my family there is a surrounding environment of English language, and if you know English language, so it is a global language. Actually, everywhere it's important. That's why I am learning. It's a one kind of memory for me, not a journey, because of I was started like I was like enemy of the English language, and now I am taking it serious, so it is becoming like a friend for me. And that journey was so opposable, but I made it very wonderful for me.
Okay, that's great. So when did you think that you should learn English? Because nowadays what is happening that in school there is English medium schools, all the students are studying in English medium schools. They are able to speak little bit. And apart from that, like now you have taken your science stream, so definitely it is must. But when it comes to speak, so students are not good in speaking. So what are you doing for your English?
Yes, ma'am. I also think that the children or the student who is learning in English medium school, they don't know about the English very well or about the grammar also. But the important thing is they are not trying to learn English because of
Yeah.
everywhere now in YouTube and in other fields there are many ways to learn English. But if a student will take step by step its motive to learn English, definitely he can learn or she can learn English by other platforms. I think that if any person or any student is taking any kind of stream, it is important that English language should be in his tongue.
Yeah,
Little bit.
definitely. Like, yeah, not little bit, but English is must. Like, if you know how to write, how to read, but you don't know how to speak. So I don't think so that it is a good thing, or I can say that it is a best thing that if you know how to write, how to read, so you should know how to speak as well because speaking is must. It build your confidence learning English and which platforms that or app you are using for your communication skill, how you are enhancing your communication skill.
Ma'am, first of all, I am learning English by growing my channel. There is my YouTube channel. And another thing, I had done course of English language uh, from other platforms. That's why now I am improving myself. And one more thing that my mother is English teacher. That's why she always teach me to speak.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
great that you environment at your
yes,
home.
yes,
So now you can just you have to be cultivate your habit every day that you can speak, and you have done best thing that you have started your YouTube channel and you are connecting with the people every day, and you have joined Skype as well, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so
It's
now you have that.
it was a main motive. I joined Skype also because of one person suggested me, and really it's so good platform if you want to learn English.
Yeah, surely, because the people are helping to each other. This is the best thing. Everyone wants to learn English, but they are eager to teach to everyone, like how you can improve yourself simultaneously. So this is the best thing on this app, and we are using this for our like enhancing our communication skills, so that is best. Okay, so can you tell me that what was the challenging part? When did you think about learning English?
Ma'am, the challenging part was uh, we are learning English, but how we can start speaking it from first
Yeah.
to end. So the first challenging part was to learning grammar and that kind of things. But real thing is grammar and speaking English both are different. There is so much difference because of we learn grammar because of we want to know what is under the English language. But speaking English is different than grammar. If we start speaking English, then only we can learn speaking English, not by grammar. That is my thinking.
Yeah, you said true words, like English is like learning swimming. Okay, if you will just read the book, so you can't learn how to swim. For learning swimming, you have to dive into the water, and then you can learn how to
Yes,
swim. And English speaking is like that. If you want to speak, so you have to practice every day, and consistency
yes,
is the
ma'am.
key of. Okay, so what are the things that you are enjoying most in your communication skill nowadays?
The most important thing which I want to do, and second thing that I'm enjoying most learning English. The best thing is my family is supporting me for everything. Now I had taken science stream, but now I am not getting faced any problem because of it's my startup. But I think that because of my father, mother, and everyone's support, I am able to take that stream and learn English very betterly. So I am thankful to my parents first of all because of they are my first guiders.
Yeah, can't do anything. You have that knowledge that okay, I want to learn English, but how? So now your mother is the English teacher, and she is supporting you a lot, and this is the best part. She like always besides you, and she's telling you that, and she is giving you the way, okay, the environment that you can speak. Okay, Abhinav. So my last question is that, okay, in a last point, that final tip you want to give the co-learner who are just thinking about learning English.
Yes, ma'am. My final point is English language in which we learn grammar. It is the theory. But when we speak English, it is like a practical. So always do practical, not only in English stream, every stream. If you are taking science, commerce, or any kind of field, the main thing you have to learn that is start doing practicals because of practical make you a more perfectful person in your life. So my last tip is only that start practicing and one day you will achieve that goal.
Yes, definitely.
Yes,
So my all wishes with you, because practice, you can practice as much as, and the thing is that practice makes men perfect. So definitely you are, like I can say that you embark on your English journey. So definitely within a month you will achieve your goal as well. So most of the people, they are just thinking they will learn from you that how they can start their journey towards English. So thank you to for joining me and giving me your valuable time, Avinav.
okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so you
Okay.
can just recording. If you have any question, you can ask me.
uh, no, ma'am.